Imagine a life form, not born from a mother, not grown from nature, but designed by a computer and assembled from the flesh of a frog. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real and it's already happening. Meet the Xenobot, the world's first living robot. In 2020, scientists from the University of Vermont and Tufts University took cells from a frog, the African clawed frog Xenopus laevis, and gave them a new purpose: not to hop, not to breathe, but to move on command, to heal themselves, and even to reproduce in a way no natural creature has ever done before. These tiny organisms, just under a millimeter wide, don't have brains, but they can swim, push tiny particles, and work together. And they weren't designed by hand, but by an AI. A computer simulates millions of shapes and behaviors. Then scientists grow real skin and heart cells from frog embryos and stitch them together based on what the AI suggests. Heart cells pulse, so they are used like motors. Skin cells form the body structure. The result? A programmable organism. Not a machine, not a true animal, but something in between. Xenobots could one day clean microplastics from oceans, deliver medicine inside the body, or repair damaged tissues. Here's where it gets deeper. They don't just obey, they evolve. In 2021, scientists observed Xenobots organizing themselves and spawning new Xenobots by collecting loose cells and building copies of themselves. This is the first time synthetic life has shown kinetic self-replication. We are not just designing tools, we are creating new rules for life itself. Here's the question no one has answered. Where is the line? If AI designs biology and biology learns to replicate, are we still the creators? Or are we just lighting a fuse? Could this technology fall into the wrong hands? Could synthetic organisms one day become unpredictable or worse, unstoppable? Some experts are already calling for strict regulation. Others say it's the next phase of evolution, a new genesis, with us playing God. We call them Xenobots, but they might be the first of many. Machines with no wires, life with no ancestors, and a future where biology isn't bound by biology anymore. What would you call that? Life? Technology? Or something we shouldn't have touched? If that blew your mind, hit subscribe. MiseMind brings the future to your screen every week. This was only the beginning.